Today's project is starting to repipe the house. Main line, which that valve's already broke. Then you do this. Oh, go down there. Go up there, there. Up, and that goes main trunk to the house. Not sure what all this is here. So that's where we're going to start. Leslie's going around and caulking all the seams, and where the popcorn still is, she's removing it if it's going to be ugly. Oh, that part's done. That was all just to get into the house. Not for sure why, but yeah, it's interesting. But then I found this. Yeah. Then I found that buried into the ground. And when I plug it in, like any smart person would do, it runs all the way out to that light post, goes up the light, and the light works. Gotta love it.